You call me out upon the waters, the great unknown, where feet may fail, and there I find you in the mystery, in oceans deep. My faith will stand, and I will call upon your name, and keep my eyes above the wave. When ocean rise, my soul will rest in your embrace, for I am yours, and you are mine. Your grace abound in deepest waters, your sovereign hand will be my guide. Where feet may fail and fear surround me, you've never failed, and you won't start now. And I will call upon your name, and keep my eyes above the wave. When ocean rise, my soul will rest in your embrace, for I am yours, and you are mine. Spirit, lead me where my trust is without a border. Let me walk upon the water wherever you call me. Take me deeper than my feet could ever wander, and my faith will be made stronger in the presence of my Savior. Spirit, lead me where my trust is without a border. Let me walk upon the water whenever you call me. Take me deeper than my feet could ever wander, and my faith will be made stronger in the presence of my Savior. And I will call upon your name, and keep my eyes above the wave. When ocean rise, my soul will rest in your embrace, for I am yours, and you are mine.